Welcome to our channel. Insurance fraud costs consumers billions annually through scams and fake policies. Follow these step-by-step instructions to protect yourself from insurance fraud. Step 1. Verify any insurance company's legitimacy by checking with your state insurance department. Legitimate insurers must be licensed to sell insurance in your state. Step 2. Be suspicious of premiums that seem too good to be true. If quotes are significantly lower than competitors, the company may be unlicensed or fraudulent. Step 3. Watch for high-pressure sales tactics or demands for immediate payment. Legitimate insurers give you time to review policies and make informed decisions. Step 4. Never pay insurance premiums in cash or by wire transfer to individuals. Pay by check or credit card made out to the insurance company, not the agent. Step 5. Request and review policy documents before paying. Legitimate insurers provide detailed policy information including the company name, coverage terms, and contact information. Step 6. Research the insurance agent by checking their license through your state insurance department. Verify they're authorized to sell insurance for the company they represent. Step 7. Be wary of unsolicited contact offering insurance, especially through unfamiliar channels. Scammers use phone calls, emails, and social media to reach potential victims. Step 8. Trust your instincts if something feels wrong. Contact your state insurance department's fraud division to report suspected scams and protect other consumers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.